Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to restore your taskbar to default settings. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear here in this window, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. You can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up this settings window. Now, once you are being navigated to the settings, you can see a lot of the options, especially at the left side of that. Now, please proceed here and locate for personalization. So under the personalization, this is where you can see your taskbar. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate for taskbar. I can see it here next to start. Click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see the taskbar settings. So the default settings of taskbar is the task view is being on. So in your case, you have to turn it on. The widgets is being on as well. So in your case, you have to turn it on as well. And the search is being set under the search box. So that is the default settings for the taskbar items. And for the system tray icons, the pen menu is off, the virtual touchpad is off, and the touch keyboard is being set in always. So that is the default settings for the taskbar under the system tray icons. So here under the other system tray icons, please click on this down arrow, and the default settings for that is the hidden icon menu is on, the Microsoft Drive is on, and from here the rest is turned off. Okay? So here at the taskbar behaviors, the default setting is the taskbar alignment is being set as the center. Okay. And this show badges on taskbar is off. However, this automatically hide the taskbar is being off. So this one is turned on. This show flashing on taskbar item app sorry is on as well. And the share any window from my taskbar is on as well. And select the far corner of the taskbar to show desktop is on as well. And this combine taskbar buttons and hide labels is set into always. Okay. So once you have set all of those options, in that way you have just successfully restored the taskbar to the default settings. So once you're good, close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on restoring your taskbar to the default settings. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day.